So thanks for the question. So we truly believe, and this is my belief, right? Data is actually power. So the way we think about it is how we can move our focus from gathering data to really make data-based decisions, especially when it comes to which are the places, which are the best routes to serve, where should we keep inventory, how can we use to forecast demand better, and really let some of these advanced planning tools dictate how we run our business. And we and I especially believe, right, in really investing in this. So this is a place we are over indexed on. We especially use some of collaboration with our startup partners to figure out what we can do. We also have our own internal ecosystem where we look at data engines to drive insights. So it's a journey we are very committed to, and we've seen it unlocking value. So, especially when it comes to driving our IBP maturity, improving our cash flows, it's been very helpful. I would say the problem is two. One is there are places where data doesn't exist. Second is even if the data exists, it exists in too many places. So it's fragmented. So what I am and my team is trying to do is piece information together. How can we bring even within internal ecosystem, right? For example, the inventory data might sit somewhere else, the retailing data might sit somewhere else, and forecasting might sit somewhere else. The power is when you can get it together, because that is when it starts to add up, right, to the big picture. To me, it's essentially like a jigsaw puzzle where you have all these data pieces which are everywhere. When you get them together, actually, you can see a bigger picture. So that is where, and I do believe we are making the right strides in the right place. I've seen much more data being available, and you have partners, right, who are willing to come because they know it can drive insights. So I am very bullish on this trend, and I do think it's going to unlock a lot of value. Yeah, I think we are again prioritizing the right places, right? There are logistics park getting established. The government policy is also helping reforming. I think there is a big digital infrastructure getting established where a lot of processes which were manual in the past have become online, whether it is custom clearance or taxes which are getting simplified. So I think from an overall level, the government as well as the industry, right, is bullish, because if you see UPI, we have seen it unlock a lot of value even at the lowest level, or FASTag, which has improved how we move from one place to another. So I think we are just at the cusp of revolution. It's only going to get bigger. And I think some of the best computing power, some of the best talent actually exists in India. That's the part we should not forget. So as long you have the people and you invest in them, get them on your teams, really use that talent, I think the future is bright.